Have you ever wondered why some outdoor dinners feel so warm, cozy, and unforgettable? Could the right fire pit table completely transform the way you enjoy your backyard? Should you choose a gas, propane, or traditional wood burning fire pit for your space? Which design offers the perfect balance of style, warmth, safety, and convenience? What simple ideas can turn an ordinary patio into an inviting outdoor dining destination? Stay with us as we reveal inspiring fire pit table ideas to help you create the perfect gathering space for every season.
Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video.
Why is a fire pit table perfect for outdoor dining? A fire pit table does much more than provide warmth. It creates a welcoming place where people naturally gather. It transforms everyday meals into memorable experiences, filled with conversation and comfort. The flickering flames add a relaxing atmosphere that makes even simple dinners feel special. Whether your patio is large or small, a fire pit table can become the centerpiece of the space. It also extends the time you can enjoy outdoor dining during cooler evenings and changing seasons. With the right design, your backyard becomes a cozy destination for family meals and entertaining. Before choosing your favorite style, think about how you want your outdoor space to feel every time friends and family gather. Should you choose a gas fire pit table? A gas fire pit table is ideal for homeowners who want instant warmth with minimal effort. With the push of a button, you can enjoy beautiful flames without dealing with smoke or ash. Its clean burning design keeps your outdoor dining area looking neat and comfortable for guests. Many gas models feature sleek finishes that complement modern patios and stylish backyards. They're perfect for hosting dinners because the flame stays steady throughout the evening. If convenience and elegance are your priorities, a gas fire pit table is an excellent choice. As you explore different options, imagine which features would make your outdoor gatherings more relaxing and enjoyable all year round. Is a propane fire pit table the right fit for your backyard? A propane fire pit table offers the perfect mix of flexibility, convenience, and reliable warmth. Since the fuel tank is usually hidden inside the base, the table keeps a clean and stylish appearance. It doesn't require a permanent gas connection, making installation much easier for many homeowners. You can enjoy steady flames for outdoor dinners, celebrations, or quiet evenings with family. Many propane models come in modern, rustic, and traditional designs to suit different outdoor spaces. If you want comfort with easy setup, a propane fire pit table is a smart choice. Picture how a flexible and easy-to-use fire feature could make every outdoor meal more comfortable, no matter the season. Why do wood-burning fire pit tables never go out of style? Nothing matches the natural charm of a real wood-burning fire, with its glowing embers and crackling sounds. The authentic flames create a warm, rustic atmosphere that's perfect for family gatherings and cozy dinners. Many homeowners love the traditional camping feeling that a wood fire brings to their backyard. These fire pit tables pair beautifully with stone patios, wooden decks, and cottage-style landscapes. While they require a little more effort to maintain, many people believe the experience is worth it. For those who enjoy classic outdoor living, a wood-burning fire pit table delivers timeless appeal. Think about the kind of outdoor memories you want to create, because the right fire feature can become part of every special gathering. Which fire pit table shape works best for outdoor dining? The shape of your fire pit table plays a big role in both comfort and conversation. Round tables encourage everyone to face each other, making them perfect for relaxed gatherings. Square designs offer a balanced look that fits beautifully on patios and decks of many sizes. Rectangular tables provide extra dining space, making them ideal for larger families or entertaining guests. Choose a shape that complements your seating arrangement and leaves enough room to move around comfortably. The right design will make your outdoor dining area feel both functional and inviting. As you plan your space, think about how your family and guests naturally gather. Then choose a layout that supports those moments. How can the right materials improve style and durability? The material of your fire pit table affects its appearance, strength, and long-term performance. Concrete creates a clean, modern look while standing up well to changing weather conditions. Natural stone adds timeless beauty and blends effortlessly with gardens and rustic landscapes. Metal finishes bring a sleek, contemporary style that's easy to pair with outdoor furniture. Wood accents can soften the design and add warmth when used safely away from the fire feature. Choosing durable, weather-resistant materials helps your fire pit table stay beautiful for years. Look beyond appearance and consider how each material will perform through every season, ensuring your outdoor space remains enjoyable year after year. How can a fire pit table make small outdoor spaces feel bigger? A compact fire pit table can add warmth and function without making a small patio feel crowded. Choosing a design with a slim profile helps maximize walking space while keeping the area inviting. Light-colored finishes and simple shapes create a more open and spacious appearance. Pair the table with space-saving chairs or built-in seating to make every inch count. A well-planned layout allows guests to dine comfortably while enjoying the warmth of the fire. Even a modest backyard can become a cozy retreat with the right fire pit table. Think creatively about your available space, because thoughtful design often makes a small area feel surprisingly spacious. How can you style a fire pit table for a cozy outdoor dining experience? Comfortable seating, soft cushions, and warm blankets instantly make your dining area more inviting. Outdoor rugs help define the space while adding texture and a welcoming touch underfoot. Lanterns, string lights, or pathway lighting create a relaxing atmosphere after sunset. Simple centerpieces, potted plants, or seasonal decorations can enhance the table without overwhelming it. Choose weather-resistant tableware and accessories that combine beauty with everyday practicality. A few thoughtful details can transform your fire pit table into the heart of your outdoor gatherings. Small decorating choices can make a big difference, so focus on creating a space where everyone feels comfortable and welcome. What features should you look for before buying a fire pit table? Start by considering the size of your outdoor dining area and the number of people you usually entertain. Look for durable materials that can withstand rain, sunlight, and changing temperatures. Choose a heat output that keeps everyone comfortable without becoming overwhelming during meals. Safety features like stable construction and reliable ignition systems add extra peace of mind. Some models include burner covers, allowing the table to become a full dining surface when the fire is off. Selecting practical features ensures your fire pit table remains useful, stylish, and enjoyable for years. Take time to compare the features that matter most to your lifestyle, so your outdoor dining space works beautifully in every season. At the beginning, we asked what makes some outdoor dining spaces feel so warm, inviting, and unforgettable. The answer isn't just the furniture or the decor. It's creating a place where people naturally want to gather. A fire pit table brings together warmth, comfort, style, and functionality, turning everyday meals into memorable experiences. Whether you choose the convenience of gas, the flexibility of propane, or the timeless charm of wood-burning flames, the best choice is the one that matches your lifestyle, space, and entertaining needs. With thoughtful planning, the right design, and a few personal touches, your backyard can become the perfect destination for relaxing evenings and unforgettable outdoor dining all year long.